You know Miles just beat Eminem's fastest rap record. Check this out. First up, here's Eminem's fastest verse.
Fill him with the venom and eliminate him. Other words, I'm intimate him. I don't wanna hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering again. Nobody will evade him. Finna kill him and dump the fucking bodies in a lake, obliterating everything is iterator. Renegade him. Hit him, make anybody who want it with the pin and frame. Don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. Man, stop.
Now check out You Know Miles and let me know if he really is the new rap god.
Hey, look.